This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. All this time, you guys, I forgot the light wasn't on. Hopefully y'all can see what I was doing the last 15 minutes. The last 15 minutes. Yeah, this video is definitely 2 parts. Because I have to, can't upload long videos when you first start on YouTube. You can't have no long video. Gotta do it in sections. I had forgotten I had to start all over because I was trying to put a 20-minute video up on a non-monetized few subscriber channel. It ain't happening. You hear me? It ain't happening. You gotta cut the videos down. I know once you do get monetized, I know they require 8 minutes to be getting paid. You got at least 8 minutes. Okay, I'm putting the baby. I'm putting the baby look like she broke. Well, she kind of flimsy right there. I don't know if she gonna survive. Right there. Oh no. She ain't. Well, we'll see. I'm gonna put that in there, and I'm gonna put this is the Monstera root. You'll know because it's not them gigantic spider plant roots. This is the Monstera. I'm gonna put this in there and see what we got. What we get. Yep. So I repotted 2 Monsteras and 2 spiders today, and I shared with y'all my new flower. Okay, I got this steak in here with this baby Monstera, but I'm about to take y'all outside to share what she gonna be looking like. I'm not putting it too tight because you know she gonna need to be able to move, just grow through the stream, you know. Don't put it so tight. You gotta put it just right. So there, I got her standing. You probably can't see nothing because I gotta go outside. I'll be back in a second to show you guys the plants I just repotted out on the balcony, so you'll see fully what they look like. Okay. Okay, gardening spirit boosters. I'm just sharing with you right here. I got it on the stake. This is the Monstera. I need to have it on this Lazy Susan so I can turn it. I tied it on there with the little rope that was provided in with the with the product. Look pretty good to me. I didn't tie it so tight so that it could, you know, keep growing up through the stream or whatever it's gonna do. So I'm gonna put a little marker in there saying what it is. You know, I don't know, but I'll just put in there for, you know, viewing purposes while on YouTube, so folks can know what kind of plant it is. It'll be on the marker. Now hold up, let me share it with you guys. The other Monstera and the other two spider plants. Okay, gardening spirit boosters, here is the other Monstera repotted. Today is what, May the 3rd, 29th or the 30th. And that's the stake that I got Walmart somewhere. Was it Walmart or Amazon, one of the two places. And I'm not used to using the stakes with the loops on it, but all I know now, the Monstera is gonna have some support as it grows up. So it look kind of nice, huh? Y'all like it? Let me know in the comment section, because this is a repotted, propagated, because I did take it off from a plant, separated the plant. I don't care if it's propagated, if I am regrowing it. So let me share with you guys now the spider plants. Hold on. Okay, this is one of the spider plants that I just repotted, propagated into this 6-inch planter. And like I say, I did all this today, May 29th or the 30th, one of them, the day before Memorial Day, 2022. So I'm going to put markers in here with the date. So when I come back, it'll be updated, so we'll know how long since I planted and see how big it's gotten. Like I showed you guys, spider plants have humongous roots, as you have seen when I showed you previously. Okay, now let me get the other one up here. Hold on. And it definitely gotta have some water on it. Don't mind that propagated snake plant there. Okay. This is the other spider plant that I just propagated and need a bath because I got dirt everywhere. So this video is about the end. Hope you guys enjoyed this probably 2-part or 3-part video of me repotting, propagating, update of the geranium plant giving me flowers. I'll be back with more exciting, thrilling desirable, anticipated videos for you guys to watch. Thanks for joining me today, and hopefully I'll get around to all you guys' channels and check out what you guys are doing. I don't have my glasses yet. I don't know if I told y'all I broke my glasses, so everything looks blurry to me. But hopefully it doesn't to you guys. If it does, I apologize. But that spider plant is gorgeous. But I'll be back with updates on it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for spending time. I appreciate it. Have a great day. Gardening day, that is. Later, guys. Do any of you guys know the name of this plant? It's so beautiful. Lime green, dark green leaves. I believe it's a tree, and it's a couple of pothos coming up in it. But it's a beautiful plant. If you know the name, share in the comments, please. It's another repotted plant. Thanks for your time and support.